MGM has a tripartite mission, which is to train and mentor the best scientists we can train, to educate scientists, and to conduct the best research we can do. And those are equally important missions that are complementary to each other. So in microbiology, we have investigators focused on bacterial pathogens, viral pathogens like Epstein-Barr virus. Mika Luftig's lab is now working on Epstein-Barr virus as a cause of both cancer and mononucleosis. Nick Heaton's lab works on influenza and developing novel vaccine approaches. In the realm of genetics, we have multiple people working in bacterial genetics, model systems, including the nematode, all the way up to mouse and human genetics. In the realm of microbiology, we also have a great strength in mycology, which is the study of fungi. What I like about Duke in particular, and what attracted me here originally, was the strength of the graduate programs and the perception that colleagues really care about what you're doing. It's a very collegial and very collaborative institution. Duke has a very transparent interface between the basic sciences and the clinical sciences, and so if you would like your work in any way to be translational, it's very easy to find a partner on the clinical side to collaborate with for research on the basic side. And that's another very unique feature of Duke University.
My lab focuses on neurodegenerative diseases. I currently have 4 graduate students in the lab. All are members of the MGM graduate program. I have 1 actually graduating tomorrow and 2 additional that will finish up by the end of the year. Seeing the breadth and depth of people that we have in the department, including students and faculty, we use that as a way to help recruit really outstanding students from all walks of life.
So what I enjoy most about the program is helping our students, supporting them through their journey as they go through their graduate studies. They make a big difference here, so just working with them, I have a great relationship with our students. I enjoy the diversity, the culture of Duke. I enjoy just how supportive our team is.
My experience as a postdoc has been really interesting for me. I've learned a lot as a scientist, and I've grown a lot both scientifically and socially, and I enjoy being here in this department, mostly because of the collaborative environment, the great support of different cores available to us, and this has led to a lot of growth scientifically.
I work in Dr. David Tobin's lab, and our lab is interested in the mycobacterial host interaction. So we are really interested in bacterial disease, and we look at mycobacteria. It's been absolutely great. I was worried about feeling isolated coming to a new area. I had never been to Durham before, and I ended up feeling really well supported and welcomed into this department, both by my incoming cohort and by the other graduate students, the faculty, the administrative staff, all really worked to make sure the department felt like an inclusive place. I've really enjoyed being able to participate in a lot of the department events, like the annual department retreat, the various seminars that we host, and just being able to be a part of a really awesome scientific community.
One bit of philosophy that was instilled in me by a previous mentor was to put trust in your crazy ideas. And after speaking with some faculty at Duke, I was aware and continue to be aware of their eagerness to support my ideas in my research and motivate me to go forth and do some of the most rigorous science to pursue those questions that I'm interested in. And it was quite apparent during my visit at Duke that senior students are very happy and eager to be a part of the MGM community.
The mission of the Women in Science group is really to support women at all levels in the department. So from undergraduates who might be in our labs to the graduate students, postdocs, and even supporting our female faculty members. So the Women in Science group has events about monthly during the school year, And these events are on a variety of topics. Some are professional development, and there's others that are more social to get to know each other better, build community.
I really enjoy the sense of community that the Women in Science group fosters. I think it's really important for women at all levels in science to interact with each other. Particularly, I really like the informal interactions that this group really promotes. You know, just bringing together people from all levels, from students to administrators to PIs. I think that having that strong sense of community really is what excels good science, and I think it's really important for fostering collaborations. And I'm really pleased to be a part of it. And I think it's something that's special about Duke.